Alright guys, so behind the speaker, took off the speaker, took out the little screw. Basically second part was you pull back this little clip, and you'll see there's another little electric, I don't know what it's called, the belt. So you kind of just pull it up lightly on both sides, comes off. Pull it back. Alright, then pulling out the it basically should come out pretty easy after that. Just make sure you pull this little belt back. Alright. So like I said, I use the blow dryer all across here, heat it up a little bit and slowly just release the adhesive that was attached, holding all the stuff together. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna disconnect the headset microphone. I use the razor blade because it got a nice sharp tip, and you can kind of pull that little red and black wire off because that stays on the phone when you get it. So basically I go around again and I use my little plastic card to get underneath the and this part will take a little while, just gotta be patient with it. It does come off. And it comes off all in one piece, this whole area. There you go. Alright, so basically I started with this part, and you could see right here all this this little band, or that's the glue that was holding it. There's two little spots right here where they had adhesive on it, so basically going back to the top, same thing, and all this just comes out at one piece. Okay, adhesive, if you could kind of glance at it, this is the parts that really hold the phone. and a little bit like I watched it on YouTube, and they, I've seen other guys use the hair dryer, to release this part. Alright. So basically from here it does get a little bit difficult because you're trying not to damage it, and same process is you use the hair dryer to release they have that same type of adhesive that holds the screen down onto the LCD screen. Alright guys, another thing behind the buttons that you have the little two, I actually lost them. I didn't put them back in, but it lights up your all your buttons up right here. And just be careful, save those, and use, what, if you go to that Repair Universe, they have like the kits that they sell the adhesive to replace the glass and everything else. So anyways, again, they give you that little tool too. It does help you to release. So basically, once you get on, if you use, I usually use I use this little flat card, and once I got underneath it just a little bit, and now I use the heat again, and I used the heat again, and I went in between and just basically pulled everything out off the. Alright, so basically from here, alright, I still gotta detach it. So this, I'm sorry, this metal casing right here, it does come off too. You just so this was the tricky part too, just to get it off the See, the thing is, YouTube, what I did too, what I can get, I actually made a mistake, you know, and I didn't order my I didn't order the special glue that they give you, you know, from the website, and I ended up using a little bit of super glue on my corners, so I can't really pull it off. But it does. So once you heat up the back of this plate, you know, this plate disconnects from the LCD screen, you know, and then right here you'll see it's really simple, you know, it's almost the common sense. Let's see if we can focus in here. But you got this cable right here, it just slides out, and then you got that little, this is the cable that goes for the new glass that you can be replacing. Just put it all back together, but mostly just use a lot of heat. You know, I kind of push down here at the center, and you can kind of hear it. You don't put too much pressure, you know, but you just use the heat gun, and just slowly just keep pressing it and pressing it. You know, it eventually comes off. You know, it does take a little while. You know, don't rush yourself. You know, but basically, guys, this is as much as I'm gonna do. It's a little better quality video. I'll show you how to put all this back together, and I guess that's it. So basically, once you got that, you know, you replace your screen, you put it all back together. Right here, you'll see that, you know, if you get your original one, it's saved. You know, you didn't damage it or anything. It will glue back onto itself. You know. So let's see, guys. Alright, just make sure you have every single little piece put back on. Once you start putting it back on, I just disconnected a little wire. I'll put it back in real quick. So tiny. It's just this little wire. I detached it from behind where the little vibrator part is. If you get that disconnected, you know. Give me 1 second, guys.